Hey there. So you have been managing properties inside HubSpot. You have been archiving them. You have been deleting those properties. You have been mishmashing them very badly. But now you need to export all of the properties that you have inside your CRM. Is that possible? Is it humanly possible? Yes, it's absolutely possible. And HubSpot makes it easy for you to do this. And today we are going to tell you how you can do this. In order to access properties inside HubSpot, you can click on the settings icon on the top, and here on the left side you can see that under data management you have the option called as properties. If you click on that, you would be shown all of the properties that you have inside your CRM. Now when you are inside HubSpot, sometimes what you want is you want the list of all of the properties that you have. In order to do this, just click on the export all properties button on the top, and you would be exporting all of the properties for the different objects. You can choose a file format of your choice. Maybe I want a CSV, and then click on export, and the exported file will be mailed to your email. Gosh, it's fast. The email is already here. So guys, I hope that was informative, and in case you still are running into any sorts of issues, feel free to reach out to us in the comment section below. In case you are building something awesome and you are stuck at some point, you need our help, we at CT9 are always eager to assist you. We are right there at your beck and call. You can just scan the QR code on the screen in front of you, or you can click on the link in the pinned comment below, and we'll be there in no time. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.